Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dr. Linz, and today we're going to do something new where it's Ask Dr. Linz. And we're going to focus today on the gut, a question about the gut, my favorite. But before we do, don't forget to give this a like and subscribe so you never miss a helpful video. And this does also help support my itty bitty YouTube channel. All right, so let's go ahead. We're gonna get right into the question, and then I'm going to answer it and go over some tips and tricks to address this, because I do feel it is something common that we might not even realize is attributing to our gut. Okay, so here's a question. When you say cracking nails, do you mean like this? She shows me a picture. I've been experiencing really bad peeling with my nails over the past year, and I don't know what's up. My diet is literally fine. No processed foods, only whole foods. So here's the deal. Our nails can tell us a lot about our health. And I personally, the reason why she asked this question to me on Instagram is because I was explaining things that I've had happen to me with my poor gut health. And one of those things was my peeling nails. Now, I didn't know at the time that my brittle nails attributed to my gut health until I was in graduate school and we learned about all the signs and symptoms of nails and what that could mean for our body. How is peeling nails or brittle nails related to our gut? Well, a common sign when we look at our nails of having those kind of things is deficiencies, vitamin and mineral deficiencies. Some common ones is iron, B vitamins, and also being protein deficient. But before you go and reach for an iron supplement or a B complex supplement or vitamin, let's take a look at why perhaps our body's not getting enough. And that could be because our gut isn't able to absorb those vitamins and minerals that are coming from our food because our gut is unhealthy. So if our gut is inflamed, if we have a non-tight or leaky gut, these things can attribute to our body not being able to absorb those vitamins and minerals. And that is what I had going on, and this is what she has going on too. Just based on some other things she told me about some bloating, she's having some constipation as well. So we know her gut is having issues, especially with eating whole foods like I was too. I was still having these issues. So again, don't go and grab those supplements because I said that's most common deficiencies. Let's work on healing, sealing, and decreasing inflammation of the gut. And that's exactly what I did and what our 21-day gut cycle does as well. I'll link below in the description. So just some few tips here. We are very good at eliminating things we know are not good for us, like pop, gluten, wheat. Those are very common things that we know to eliminate. But what we tend to not do is help our gut heal, re-inoculate, rebalance. And that's what I was missing, and that's what she's missing too. So here's what I recommend, and here's what I do to get started and take now religiously. First things first, we want a good added supplement to our whole food diet. That for me is going to be OptiGreens 50, and this is what I also recommend to my clients, and they pretty much 99% of them take it because we all need some gut love. The biggest thing about the OptiGreens 50 is it's going to have a lot of things to help heal the gut. It's going to have digestive enzymes and probiotics. A lot of times we can have an imbalance in our gut bacteria. We can have some inflammation going on, as I mentioned before, and can hinder us from absorbing those nutrients and having those peeling nails. The second thing that I recommend, and I cycle in yearly, at least 2 times a year, is going to be the GI Advantage. This is going to be a supplement that has amino acids and minerals to help decrease that inflammation specifically in the gut and seal up that gut lining. Okay, so that's something that if we're someone that's having these issues with our nails, bloating, constipation, those are the 2 things I then recommend. And lastly, as I mentioned before, I would start educating yourself more about the gut and why are you having things like peeling nails, constipation, bloating. Dive into that education, and that's why we created 21-day gut cycle, as well as we have our year-round daily feel-good app, which has really wholesome whole food recipes. So check all those things out in the bio if you need, not in the bio, but in the description below. And if you do have any further questions, drop it below in the comments. Shoot me an email. I will get back to you as soon as possible. I'm here to help you guys. All right, don't forget to give this a like and subscribe so you never miss a helpful video.